Good morning, friends, family, and viewers. This is Clay Dalton with Remax Beaches, and we're here at the beautiful Sunbird this Sunday morning. What a beautiful morning it is. And we're going to have an open house today at 104 East Tower. And the left building as you pull into the Sunbird. This will be on the east side, 104 East. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on this property for you. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath condominium right here on the ground floor, which is somewhat rare that these come available. And when you come into the entry, you can go in two directions. You can take a right here and head into this beautiful bedroom setup. I just love this with the decor here that they've got. And then of course you've got some closet space over here that they've made good use of over here. And then you've got these really cool barn style doors. 1-bedroom, 1-bath. We've got tile floors. We've got upgraded shower in this particular unit. Very well done. And then over here, it turns into the kitchen. Very spacious kitchen. It's got a cooktop, built-in microwave, full-size refrigerator with ice and water in the door. Of course, you got some counter space here and a dishwasher. And then into the living room, which they've got set up with, I believe that's a bed that you can unfold there for additional seating, additional sleeping. And then you have tile floors in here. Very comfortable living space. But let me tell you what's great about this unit. Not only do you have these really beautiful views of the Gulf of America and access right here to the beach, just steps away from your unit, but you literally could sit in here and watch the kids swim. You're directly next to the east pool. I'm going to take you out and show you this amazing patio area right outside this ground floor unit. You don't need an elevator to come up and down on this. And again, you'll be right here directly next to the east pool. And you've got all of this area. This building has been renovated, painted. Everything's been done for the milestone inspection. Give me a call at 770-815-5451. 770-815-5451. If you'd like to be a part of the Panama City beach scene. We're right next door to world famous Pineapple Willie's restaurant. You can see it in the distance here, so you can walk over there, grab your drinks and lunch, dinner. Chair service is out this morning. What a beautiful morning. Brand new swings, access to the Gulf of Mexico right here outside your unit, number 104 East Tower. Call Clay Dalton with Remax Beaches at 770-815-5451. And we can get started on your dreams to own this amazing beachfront condo right here with just one step in to your paradise right here at the Sunbird. Price below $350,000. These are very affordable, some of the most affordable units on the Gulf. So give me a call. Again, it's Clay Dalton, 770-815-5451. And I'm signing out right now with this beautiful view. Have a great day.